Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Fedora Server 41 on VMware Workstation in Windows environment. First download the Fedora Server. Go to Fedora official website, that is fedoraproject.org. Hit enter. See here at the time of making this video 41 is the latest one. So click on Get Fedora, then select the server. Then click on download. See here, this is the release date. Okay, so click on, see here we have the ISO DVD ISO file for the Intel and AMD 64 systems. So click on this download button. See, download started. Go to download. See here, its size is 2.6 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded Fedora Server 41 edition. Okay, so in your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware Workstation. If you haven't installed VMware Workstation on your machine, then there is a link in the video description. You can go through it and you can install VMware Workstation on Windows and Linux operating systems. See here, I have installed VMware Workstation. Okay, click on it. Click on create a new virtual machine or select file and select new virtual machine. Both are same. Click on it. Next. Then select the installer disk image file. Then click on browse and select the downloaded DVD ISO file. See here, I have the Fedora Server DVD 41 ISO file. Select it. Then click on next. Here we have to provide the name for the Fedora Linux Server 41 edition. So I am giving Fed S41 VM. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders. Click on browse. Then go to the path where you have the enough space. Then create a folder for this machine, this virtual machine. Hit enter. Then click on OK. Then click on next. Then virtual hard disk size I am giving 50 gigabytes. It is up to you. Then click on next. See, by default memory selected 2 gigabytes. And number of CPU cores it is not showing. So click on customize hardware. Then I am giving 4 gigabytes. Or you can use this pointer to up or down and hit enter. See, it is changing. Also I want to increase the processes to 2. Give 2. And if you want to enable virtualization, you have to select the checkbox. Display. See, we have different options. Okay. So click on close. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on finish. Don't select this power on this virtual machine after creation. Keep it as unselected and click on finish. Still, if you want edit settings, click on edit virtual machine settings or right click and select settings or go to VM and select settings. All three options are same. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine. Click on it. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is install Fedora 41 and hit enter. If cursor is grayed out, just press Alt Control from your keyboard to release the cursor. Now select the language and click on continue. See here, this is the Fedora server, and also notice this begin installation has been grayed out and it is not clickable. So if you want to start the begin installation, we have to configure these red highlighted colored options. Okay, so click on system, then select the path. I am okay with the defaults. Then click on root account, select enable root account, then provide the password. Then if you want to allow root SSH login with password, select the checkbox. Then click on done. Now click on user creation. I am giving user full name and username as Arthoscores, and also see the checkbox add administrative privileges to this user account. Okay, keep the checkbox, then provide the password for this user. Then click on done. Okay, see, now we are able to click on begin install. If you want to change keyboard or time date, you have to click on these options. So I'm not going to do anything. I'm going with the default. So click on begin installation. See, installation has been started. This may take time, and I will resume once installation completes. Then we will perform the post installation steps. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Thank you. See, installation completed. Click on Reboot System. See here, this is the IP of this machine. Now provide the username that we have created. See, this is the user that I have created. Okay, and R2 schools is the username, localhost is the host name. If you want to verify the host name, give the host name, hit enter. See, localhost is the host name. Now verify the IP of this machine, ifconfig, or we can get the IP address by running the command ipaddr. Okay, see here, we got the same IPs. Okay, Control A. Now verify the version that we have installed. More/etc os-release. See, we have installed Fedora Linux and its version is 41 server edition. Okay, now the first step after connecting to Fedora Linux server is we have to update the packages. Control L, sudo dnf update && sudo dnf upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Type 5 for confirmation and hit enter. This may take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Fedora Linux Server 41 on VMware Workstation. For more Fedora or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.